Phases of menstrual cycle. See, it is 28 days of 1 month. Suppose it is a January month. First phase is the menstruation phase. Menstruation phase. This is the first phase. Menstruation or bleeding phase. What is the menstruation or bleeding phase? And what is the menstruation? That is, what is the ovulation? Ovulation means the releasing of the secondary oocyte. Okay, who are producing this oocyte? Ovary. Ovary produce the secondary oocyte. Who will carry it? This secondary oocyte? Fimbriae with the infundibulum. And this fimbriae with infundibulum carried the secondary oocyte and passed to next portion is the ampulla. And that secondary oocyte wait there for the incoming sperm. They wait for sperm. If the sperm is not coming there in that portion, fertilization will not take place. If the fertilization will not take place, what will happen? That is the inner layer of the fertilization will not take place. What will happen? The inner layer of the uterus, that is the endometrial layer of the uterus, start for breakdown, and it converted or it transformed in the form of blood, and it come out through vagina. That phase is known as bleeding phase or menstruation. It is around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 depending upon the health of a female. It will take 1 or 2 days more. 1, 2, 3. Suppose you can imagine these days are considered as a menstruation. What is the menstruation or bleeding phase? Means the releasing or oozing out of the blood. Blood means the endometrium layers will transform in the form of a blood form, and it oozes out through the vagina with the cervix. That period is the menstruation phase, and this is the menstruation phase. And remaining days, and these days 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 phase, that days is the follicular phase or proliferative phase. Follicular phase or proliferating phase. Follicular phase, that term itself the meaning, development of follicles or proliferation. Again they are regenerating the lost endometrial layers. That phase is a proliferating phase. In these days they start. See again the development of follicular cells started. Here ovulation, bleeding after 28 days bleeding process will start. And that time in the ovary, the primary oocyte, around the primary oocyte follicular development will takes place, or proliferation of the around the follicles, around the primary oocyte follicle will develop. That time FSH will growing follicles will produce FSH. FSH act on the uterus for regenerating, for proliferating endometrial layer. So both proliferation and follicular phase, that is a follicular phase of proliferating. Follicular phase will take place in the ovary. At the same time proliferation will also take place in the ovary in this period. Okay, in this period, understand? After menstruation days, 7 to 12 days, 7 to 12 days or 13 days. In these days, development of follicular cell. That's a follicular phase. This growing follicles also produce estrogen. That estrogen help for the proliferation of the endometrium layer. So it is also called a proliferative phase. So here both hormones FSH and estrogen acting phase, proliferative and follicular phase. Next phase is the ovulation day. Ovulation. The short phase of this menstrual cycle is ovulation. Only 1 day. 15 or 13 or 15 or 14 or 15. 1 day only this ovulation will take place. Only 1 day. So this is considered as a short phase of this cycle. And in that day, both FSH and LH attain a peak level. This day is considered as the middle of the cycle, 28. Half of the 28 is the 40. So in that day, 14, the day of the cycle is a production of FSH and LH attain peak level. And so, especially the production of LH, FSH level is this in these days also the level of FSH, production of FSH more, but it attained at a peak level, that's LH production at a peak. This is the 14th day, so that would LH surge, because the production of or secretion of LH is maximum at the 14th day of the menstrual cycle, and it causes it causes the rupturing of the graphene follicle, and secondary oocyte will come out. That process is known as ovulation. And this ovulatory phase is the shortest phase in the menstrual cycle. Next phase, the more lengthy phase, the next phase is known as luteal phase or secretory phase. Why it is called luteal phases? Because I already told this ruptured graphene follicle become yellow colored portion, that is known as corpus luteum. This is known as corpus luteum. And this corpus luteum maintained there as in the form of for many days. What's the role of corpus luteum? It is start for secreting progesterone. What's the role of the progesterone? Progesterone help for maintaining the endometrial layers. That is, in these days, if the fertilization will take place, if the sperm and egg will fused, maybe pregnancy chances will is there. So progesterone, the production of progesterone is more in these days, and after if the fertilization will takes place, this progesterone help for maintaining this endometrium layers, maintaining the endometrial layer of the uterus. So implantation will take place with the help of this progesterone. So it is considered as progesterone is considered as pregnancy hormone. After 10 days, if the fertilization will not take place, this corpus luteum become shortened. It becomes shortened or degenerate, and that one is known as corpus albicans. This is the corpus albicans, and that corpus albicans will form the level of progesterone level become low. The production of the progesterone decreased. As a result, endometrium of the uterus start for breakdown, and again it leads to bleeding process. The cycle is repeated. And this is a menstruation cycle. Okay, and this is 10 to 17 days, fertile period and safety period. What is a safety period? And this is a menstruation time. Here follicle development. So after ovulation, this is period is considered as a safety period. 10 to 17 days is considered as a safety period. And the remaining days. Next safety. Sorry, 2 period is there. 10 to 17 days of the menstrual cycle is the fertile period. This is a fertile period. Okay. Other days. The remaining days are called safety period. In these days, safety period, these days, this phase is a fertile period because secondary oocyte is there. So chances of fertilization, we can expect the chances of fertilization because oocyte, if the sperm will come, it will come join or fused, and zygote will form, and this corpus luteum secrete the progesterone for maintaining or implanting this zygote into the uterine wall. Okay, this is a menstruation cycle. Next, you can write the note of the menstrual cycle. Wait. The cycle starts. First is the bleeding phase. First phase is the menstrual phase or bleeding phase, 1 to 5th day. The cycle starts with the menstrual flow bleeding. It lasts for 3 to 5 days. It is due to breakdown of endometrial lining of the blood vessels of the uterus that come out through vagina. See, it will come out in the form. This is the endometrial layer. It will come out in the form of bleeding process. Next phase. Menstruation occurs if the released ovum is not fertilized. Lack of menstruation indicate pregnancy. It may also cause due to stress, poor health. Also, menstruation will not take place if the poor health or if the tension will increases in that day, in that month. Date will extend or something. This menstruation will not takes place. Next phase. The next phase is which phase? Follicular phase or proliferative phase. 5 to 13 days considers. It starts from 5th day after menstruation, completed within 8 to 12 days. In this phase, action of gonadal FSH and LH from pituitary occurs. FSH stimulate development of primary follicles into Graafian follicle. Secretion of estrogen by Graafian follicle. Okay, development of primary follicles into Graafian follicle, FSH. Secretion of estrogen by these growing follicles. Estrogen stimulates. What is the role of estrogen? Proliferation of ruptured uterine endometrium in mucous lining of oviduct and vagina. പൊട്ടിപ്പൊളിഞ്ഞു പോയ സാധനത്തിന് വീണ്ടും മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന റോളാണ് ഈസ്ട്രജൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Then development of secondary sexual character, suppression of FSH secretion, suppress LH production സാധിക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. Secretion of LH, so also secretion of LH, luteinizing hormone. Next day, ovulatory phase, 14th day, ovulatory, say ovulation. Egg is released and say egg is ovulation is captured by fimbriae. Okay. And LH and FSH at a peak level in the middle of the cycle. Rapid secretion of LH. Rapid secretion of LH induces rupture of Graafian follicle and thereby ovulation on the 14th day. Next is secretory or luteal phase, 15th to 28th day. Secretion or secretory or luteal phase. After ovulation, Graafian follicle is transformed into yellow endocrine mass corpus luteum. It is secreted progesterone by the action of progesterone. Endometrium at maximum vascularity, thicken and soften. Thus, uterus get ready for implantation. FSH secretion is inhibited to prevent development of a second ovarian follicle. Progesterone is also act on the FSH secretion for preventing development of second